Here we have a 71 plate BMW M340i XDRIVE. Now this vehicle comes with the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked with the red brake calipers just behind. We do also have the blue metallic exterior paintwork. We've got the LED headlights. We also have the gloss black front splitter, part of the M Performance kit. Round to the passenger side, you find we have the second alloy wheel just down here, again in excellent condition. Apologies about the sun. Taking a step back, you find the side skirts along the bottom, colour-coded door handles. We also have the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. Up top you'll find the shark fin antennae. We do also have the rear spoiler lip on the tailgate. And round to the rear you find we have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display. We do also have the reversing camera as well. Got the dual exit exhaust at the back along with the M340I badging on the tailgate. Press the button on the remote and it will open it like so. And inside of here you find we have plenty of space. We have the storage net on the left and also on the right hand side, as you can see just inside of there. We also have the button. Press this button and it will close again just like so. Walking back round to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. We also have the keyless entry as well on this vehicle. If we just open up the back, you'll find we have the full leather interior. We have the foldable armrest in the centre, the fixed ISO points, M Sport style seat belts as well. We also have the climate control in the centre for the rear passengers. Storage nets behind the front seats. We have the electric windows and the ambient lighting on the doors. Again, at the front with the same full leather interior. There's a look at them front seats, both of which are heated. Again, we have the electric windows, tri-lock for the rear, electric power folding mirrors, ambient lighting on the doors and the integrated speakers. We have the automatic lights, automatic wipers, multifunctional steering wheel. If you just take a seat inside, then you find the digital dashboard in front of us. We've got the paddle shifters on either side of the steering wheel, speed limiter and the cruise control just here. Put a foot on the brake, press your start button, the vehicle starts up for us. We have the high beam assist just there on the left hand side, and we're also free from any warning lights on the digital dashboard. We have the main screen just here in the centre, currently showing the sat-nav. Now if any of the screens or lights are flickering, it's just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. Now this is touchscreen, but we also have the shortcuts down here, so press onto the media. You find the radio stations appear just there. Got the Spotify and also the Bluetooth audio. On the main menu, you can see we have even further features, so we have the Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. We also have all these apps that are currently installed on the vehicle, and we do have the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. Again, going back onto the main menu, if you go into the car, onto the settings, you'll find the interior ambient lighting just here. Plenty of colours to choose from. Got the intelligent safety system as well, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. Further down you find that we have the climate control with the ice cold air conditioning, heated seats as well on each side, working as they should do, as you can see. We also have some storage space inside of here. We've got the cup holders, 12-volt connectivity and a USB port. Automatic gearbox just here with the different drive modes. So if we press onto adaptive, you see we have the adaptive drive mode, Eco Pro, Comfort and also Sport. We have the Sport Plus drive mode as well. Also changes the look of the dashboard for different drive modes, as you can see, changes colour. Put the car into reverse, you find the reversing camera with the front and rear parking sensors. Put it back into park just like so. And we have the electric handbrake and the auto hold button. Leather armrest in the centre, open that up and you find some more storage. And we also have a Type-C USB inside of that as well. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW M340i XDRIVE. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. As you can see, I'm now to fire up the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, but staying straight and true. Now we do have the multifunction steering wheel, which has the speed limiter and the cruise control buttons on the left hand side, volume buttons on the right, paddle shifters on either side if you want to set the car into manual mode, tap one of the paddles and it would change gear. The steering wheel is also heated with this button just here. Press that button and it will turn on. Perfect for them cold winter mornings. We also have the dashboard just here in front of us, which can show different displays that you would have seen on the photos. Now if you do listen carefully throughout this video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We have the full leather interior throughout this vehicle, which is very comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both the front seats are also heated, again perfect for them cold winter mornings. And we do have the main screen just here in the centre, currently showing the sat-nav. Also got plenty of features on there, again you would have seen them on the photos. For example, the DAB radio, Bluetooth phone connectivity. We also have plenty more features, for example the ambient lighting, really does look nice especially at night time. We have the climate control just down here with the eyes covered air conditioning. We do also have the automatic gearbox as well with all the different drive modes. Now in a moment we're about to take a right hand turn, so if we put our right indicator on, start to slow down and wait for the traffic to pass before making the right hand turn. So wait for this car to pass, I'm going to make the right hand turn now onto the industrial park, and I'll perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1. Hard onto the brakes, put the car into reverse. We've got the reversing camera up here on the screen. Back into drive with no issues whatsoever. And if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all for me today though. Cheers.